Alaikum. Hope you all are fine, and I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. In this situation, in this pandemic situation, we are not sick. We are fine with our family members. This is very good luck for us who are not sick, and here and there around us. So many people are getting sick for many kind of fever or virus, and this is very important to make ourselves careful for ourselves. And so I'm also, because we have to go to outside for our any kind of important work, as an example that I am an entrepreneur, and that's why I have to go to outside for business product, and not only this it has happened with me, for all entrepreneur and businesswoman or businessmen. They are very all of them are very industrious, and they can't stay at home all the time. They have to go to outside for many time. Yes, I don't want to go to outside without any important reason, but I have to go because I have to live my life with my and so we have to we should be we should be very careful about our for our family and for us. Okay, I'm leaving the topic. Every time telling the same topic, this is very boring, I know that. And yes, I read every day I read English newspaper. Yes, when we were in our school life, when we were child, or okay, but we read a composition or paragraph about importance of English, importance of reading newspaper, but we didn't utilize this in our real life, and in our real life. So that's why we are suffering. Many people, many students are suffering in this important time, when the time when we have to prepare ourselves for our career. We are realizing that yes, this is important. We had to give importance to reading newspaper or reading English newspaper. We only read the importance of reading newspaper, but in school life or college life, as in paragraph or textbook, but we didn't give importance in our real life. This is our main problem, and when we realize that this is our fault, this is our mistake, then we don't have a lot of time to make a solution. But no, we never should be depressed for our any mistakes in the past, because past is past. If we feel depressed, or if we are not confident, we don't have confidence and sufficient confident, we will be unable to make our future bright. So confidence is everything. And yes, if still we have a lot of time to solution to prepare ourselves, and that's why I am here in Digital Skills for Bangladesh group. Okay, now I have to say that this is still so many people tell this group that DSP group, but no, this is not DSP group. We have to tell that Digital Skills for Bangladesh group, and this is the correct name. This is the name of this group. So leave the topic, and yes, that's why I was telling about importance of reading newspaper. Yes, I am reading English newspaper every day, and this is for a few months, and I want to continue this routine for my future. And this is, if one day I will be fluent, I would be fluent in English. After that, I also will read English newspaper, because it helps to increase my vocabulary skill, reading skill, speaking English skill. And this is I am reading English newspaper by following the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir, and most of the people follow the guideline of sir, and a few people are not regular. Regularity is important, as like I will give an example okay, I am reading English newspaper, I told this, but for a few days newspaper, for a few days I can't read new English newspaper, and that's why I'm reading old newspaper for 2 days. And I know that tomorrow I will read new English newspaper, but I don't like to give any excuse when this is the subject of study, and I didn't want to be irregular for today. That's why I read English newspaper, old English newspaper. So regularity is important. That's why I give importance to that. As usual, I read the Daily Star newspaper, the Daily Star English newspaper. I like to read that newspaper, and all the time I give too much importance to business page of the newspaper. Business page is important, much important for me, and at first I read business page, then I read other page of the newspaper. And in the business page, every page I get very important topic, important lines, important news for all of us, especially for an entrepreneur, and especially for an entrepreneur, businessman, or others. Yes, every people. Rajiv Ahmed sir said that this page, business page is important for us. And today, since I didn't get read English new newspaper, I didn't read English newspaper, so that's why I read September 2, the newspaper of the date was September 2, and the newspaper was Financial Express. I got very in this newspaper I got very important topic. The topic was about the pollution of the environment pollution in Dhaka, that is our city in Bangladesh, and stock, share market and etc. or Dhaka University text dope exam, dope test, and there are a lot of important things that I got in the newspaper, and I enjoyed those, and I understood 90%, the meaning of 90%. I read 4 pages of the Financial Express, and page number 4 there were also very important topic, but I didn't understand that. I didn't understand full meaning of that page. That's why I didn't I didn't explain about that page. So it's not a bad thing. It's not the thing of depressed, getting depressed. I'm not depressed about that. And never I lost my hope. I know that in future and very soon I will be able to understand 100% meaning of English, and I will be fluent speaker in English. English is a very important language. No, that is not not only important, that is our international language. We can present our world, we can present our country, we can present about ourselves by that English newspaper. Now we can present about ourselves, we can present to our work, about our work only in this country. But when we will be perfect, when we will be fluent speaker in English language, then we will be able to present our country to another country, to the world, to the whole world. And this is important to make proud to our country. We love our country, that's why we love our mother tongue. That's why we have to be perfect in English subject. And I think that not only for represent our country, ourselves, but also for my career, my dream, my career is related with this English language. And that is another cause to learning English. And pray for me as if I can be a fluent speaker. And yes, I know, because when respected Rajiv Ahmed sir is my guideline, then everything is possible. Every positive thing, every good thing is possible for us if we there are a condition that we have to be industrious, we have to be honest, and we have to be very serious and regular. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care.